Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today, friends, I will be talking to you on cyber world and role of chartered accountants in cyber world, where cyber starts with C and chartered accountant also start with C, the two words. So it is a synonymous. Now, information technology or digital or cyber, which we use interchangeably, has grown exponentially, and more so after COVID-19 March 2020. Everything is done digitally, everything is done online. Three alphabet which we were not knowing earlier. WFH, which means work from home. So what is information technology, and whether chartered accountant is competent to render services in the cyber space? My answer to this query which comes to me is that any area of work, any area of specialization comes from learning, comes from training. So our basic skill, professional skepticism, inquiring attitude makes us competent that by our learning, we can render very effective service in the cyber world. So India, after the UNICETRAL, United Nations Conference on International Trade Law, they made a first law in 1996 on electronic commerce. And India was very fast. One out of few 15 countries which made the law in 2000, the Information Technology Act 2000, which came into force from 17th October 2000. And it is a comprehensive law, originally 94 sections, then we had 90 sections. And it is revised 4 times, but the major revision is in 2008. So Information Technology Amendment Act 2008, effective from 27th October 2009, made many changes, and one of them is Section 43A. And under Section 43A, we have a data protection regulations, because internationally, the European Union made a GDPR in 95, General Data Protection Regulation, and then in 2006, they revised from directives, they made it regulation. In India, we have a Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 pending in Parliament. The Joint Committee of Parliament is scheduled to submit the report by end of November 2021. And in the winter session, perhaps this bill will see the light of the day. And we also have a MeitY report, that means Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, on non-personal data protection. So the cyber world involves, many things like blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, IoT, Internet of Things. Now, what are the areas where a chartered accountant can work? First is the internal control, our specialization, whether in physical environment. So in the digital environment also, like COSO framework, we have a COVID 2019, which is the current version of the internal control in business organization. So we can strengthen the digital security control. The second area which we can be very effective as a fraud investigation. So similarly, in the digital environment, there is something called digital forensics. The third area is evaluation of the softwares. Every expert was beginner on the first day. So by our continuous learning, like on data privacy also, the Data Security Council of India has a separate course on data privacy. And data privacy was discussed at length by Supreme Court in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy case, where we have 450-page judgment dealing with like how the privacy, other privacy rights like physical privacy, home privacy. Similarly, data privacy is a fundamental right under Constitution of India under Article 21, where there is a right of personal life and liberty will include also the right to data privacy. Then the chartered accountant can be very helpful in use of social media platforms. Now, common 4 platforms which we know is Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, but there are so many other platforms like for podcast, we have a Spotify, we have a SlideShare, we have a Scripd, we have a blog. So on all these YouTube channels, so for the growth of an enterprise, how these platforms can be utilized, the website content, so there can be an extensive services by a chartered accountant in these areas. Another area, we have an information system audit. So we have a diploma in information system audit. And at international level, there is a ISACA organization gives a qualification, CISA. So under a PDP bill, which is there is a Personal Data Protection Authority, there will be tribunal. Currently under Information Technology Act 2000 also, there is a tribunal, Cyber Appellate Tribunal is now repealed, and the charge is with the Telecom Dispute Settlement Appellate Tribunal. So there are various fields where in the cyber world, chartered accountant can play a very big role, and this area is going to increase. The cyber space, cyber use is by leaps and bounds. The dealing with the cases with economic offenses wing, where some cyber fraud has taken place, the recovery of the money. So these are the areas where a chartered accountant can work very effectively. And I wish each viewer a very good career if they have interest in cyber space. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and do let me know the topics on which you are interested to have a video. Thank you.